Okay, so to create a long shadow text effect in After Effects, what you're gonna have to do, of course, you're gonna create a new composition. I'm using this settings here. Resolution, frame, okay. We're gonna select the text now. I'm gonna add some text here, or let's write maybe shadow, and then we're just gonna move this. If you can't find a line, just select here, check this align here. And now just press Command plus D to duplicate this text. We're gonna go here to Effects and just write burst. And then here, once you write burst, you can also write a light. That's also right here light, and you're gonna have to select this one here and move it to, or add this, or drag and drop it to your layer here. And now we can move this, or add here minus 230 I'm gonna use, and here intensity you can just increase the way you want, just up to you here. Now here we have the text right on the top and behind the shadow. That's why I said to duplicate it, because otherwise you won't be able to create this effect. You need actually to duplicate one in the front that's that has, you know, there's no light, it's just the text, and the other one that's been transformed to a light, to a shadow. And now here we have the shadow, and we can press on this, and then we can control this. Maybe we can move this here, and then can move also the shadow. We're removing this one here. Very nice. You can also click then on this one here, on this anchor point or center, wherever it's called, and then move it where we want. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. I know this is a short tutorial, but I just want to show you how you can add this effect to your, how you can add this light burst to your text. And yeah, if you're looking for this, I hope you found this short video helpful. Now you can of course add more effects to your text if you want to, but I just decided just to show you really fast how you can add this effect, so it might save you time. So thanks for watching and take care.